Hello, my name is Mike. Today we will look at PDF to data interface. So let's log into our interface. Here we can see a two-side field which has a left side and a right one. In the left part the documents are displayed. Let's have a detailed look on what we've got here. We can see the help button here, and if we click on it we will view the interactive help window. It gives us the needed instructions on what we can do and how we can do it. This window is minimized by clicking on the tiny arrow on the top. Also here we can see the YouTube button. If we hit it, we will see video tutorials on YouTube. On the right you can see the feedback button. Let's try to click on it. You can type your message in here, fill in your email address and send your feedback. Now let's take a look at the right side. We can see here several buttons such as Home, Upload Simple Document, Upload Scanned Document and others. So let's see what we have under Upload Simple Document button. It is used for uploading electronic documents. This refers to paperless files created on a computer by a program or by user himself. It can be a Word document or a PDF file created with help of Microsoft Excel. So let's try to upload two electronic documents, for example two invoices. Now we can see how many documents we've got and a column with templates. We see two file names, how many pages they have, the button for template creating, as well as the button for deleting file. If I click on file name, the file will be displayed on the left side. Also on the left a panel appears which gives us the opportunity to zoom in or to zoom out, to select a percentage and to move back and forward through the pages. If I click on another file, it will be displayed as well. So let's try to create a template. We can see that the right part has changed. Instead of files, the template name is displayed and some other information. Let's give a name to our template, typing it into this box. On the left part, 4 new buttons have appeared. We will need these tools for adding objects to our template. Let's try add some. We will not talk about all functions of these objects, because now we're studying only the interface. We will have a detailed look at them in some other lessons. Let's add an ID. Let's add a label. Let's add a text box. And a table too. As you can see, all these objects have been added to the right part. They have proper icons. The table object is maximized if we click on this triangle. Let's save our template now. As you can see, 2 more buttons have come out. This one helps to recognize the document, and this lets us return to the template interface. Let's try to recognize a document. As you see, 2 more buttons have appeared. This one shows us the result of recognition. And as you see, the objects that we selected for our template have been successfully recognized, and now they're displayed. Another button lets us save on our computer the XML file which has all the data that we selected for our template. Let's try to view it. Here, the XML file with the information which we wanted. Now let's look at other buttons on the top. This one auto-detects the template. So if your list has many files in it, you may hit this button and they will be identified automatically. Let's have a try. As you can see, the template for this file has been detected automatically. This button helps us to recognize all the documents automatically without clicking on other buttons. This one displays the archive. As you see, the archive has the search boxes and is divided into two sections. The first one shows us all the documents, and the second lists the templates. We can see no documents at the moment, because only those documents are displayed which were previously recognized and deleted from here. But this option works only if you check in the box Save Document History in Archive, shown after you click on the Control Panel button. If No is selected in your menu, no documents will be seen. Control Panel helps you to change the language, and you may allow saving documents in Archive. Your personal API key is stored here. The stats are shown here as well. You may choose a time period that you need or select the dates from the calendar. Now let's go back to the page home. We have had a brief overview of the interface for creating templates. Please keep in mind that this interface serves only for template creating purposes. Here you may test whether your template was done correctly, if it works right, and double-check the data which was saved in XML format. This is the web interface. There also is the API interface, which is used by developers for integrating data transfer into your accounting software or invoice archiving program. For automatization purposes, use our API, which can be found on API page under Products. We have various APIs for different languages. Developers need it for connecting the service to your software and automatic transfer of data from your computer to our server and back. So we have looked briefly at how web interface works. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them via contact form on our website cloud4people.com. We are always happy to help.